Automobili Lamborghini presents the Lamborghini Sian Roadster, a limited edition open-top hybrid sports car engineered around Lamborghini's iconic V12 engine, with unique hybrid technologies and delivering unsurpassed Lamborghini and hybrid performance. The Sian Roadster is the most powerful Lamborghini ever. It has 819 horsepower thanks to a 6.5-liter V12 and a 48-volt mild hybrid system. With over 800 horsepower and all-wheel drive, the Sian Roadster is absolutely ballistic in a straight line. Lamborghini claims that the car reaches 60 miles per hour in less than 2.9 seconds and onward to a top speed of nearly 218 miles per hour. The Lamborghini Sian Coupe is already extremely rare, with just 63 units going into production. The Sian Roadster is even more special, with 19 units total, or less than one-third the production run of the Coupe.